Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with me, ABM Farhan. This is my channel Tic Tac Toe, and today we are going to be reviewing the iPad mini from a student's perspective. And what I mean by student's perspective is that how an iPad can be a useful tool if you are a student in either school, college, high school, or even universities. Now I myself is in high school. I'm doing 9th grade right now. So I kind of have a good insight on how an iPad can be really useful for students like us. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the topic for today. So the iPad mini has been once reviewed by me a few weeks ago, so I would highly recommend that you check that video out if you are just a regular consumer wanting to buy an iPad, and also you want a full detailed overview of what the iPad mini this year is capable of. Alright, now let's check out all the things that the iPad excels at and can be greatly useful for students out there. And the first thing is, of course, note taking. Believe it or not, the main selling point of iPads for students is taking digital notes. There are great applications for taking notes such as GoodNotes, OneNote, and even Apple's own notes application is really feature rich, at least for a student. It has all the necessary stationaries like pencil, markers, eraser, and etc. You can also drag and drop images and stuff like that. But if you do want to get into some sort of professional category, then of course we have GoodNote, and OneNote is a free and good alternative to GoodNotes. But yeah, I highly recommend that you take a look at GoodNotes, because if you do invest in an app like that, I'm gonna tell you that you're not gonna be regretting this purchase at all, as GoodNotes is really feature rich for taking notes. Note taking digitally has a lot of benefits. For example, you never really lose these notes if your iPad gets destroyed or whatever, because like everything nowadays is synced on the cloud. So yeah, everything will be saved on your account. Another benefit of note taking digitally is the fact that you can like really easily share your notes with your friends or family or even teachers, because like it's completely done digitally, and you can just share the notes with one tap within any platforms actually. And now that we're done with the note taking aspect of the iPad mini, there's another thing that the iPad mini really does excel at while taking these to classes or really useful for students, which is portability. I mean, yeah, iPad, like any tablet or any iPad that you buy, are gonna be portable or more portable than your regular or average 15-inch laptop. But the iPad mini at such a small package provides a really great like feel, features, and performance. You are not actually losing out much with the iPad mini. I guess 1 hour less battery life than the largest iPad and a bigger screen real estate, but other than that you are kind of really set. It fits on your palms like comfortably, and it feels natural to hold it like this, and you have the pencil to take notes, and yeah, this feels really good. Other than that, this fits in your pockets or any bag, even those small slingshot bags. So yeah, portability is not a concern with the iPad mini. Now another point about the iPad mini being a useful tool to students is the fact that this is a really powerful little computer. I mean, of course it's not gonna replace your MacBook or Windows laptops, but if you are on the go, or you're in your university or school and you need to write down some papers, or you need to do a bit of graphic designing, or even do a bit of art, this will be powerful enough for your workload. And especially with the fact that we now have Bluetooth keyboard and mouse support, this just feels great to use as a little alternative to your big laptop or desktop. And to be honest, the iPad is a great and safe tool for students for taking notes and doing stuff like recording lectures, drawing diagrams, and etc. So that was it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are planning to buy an iPad as a student, do let me know in the comments down below. And that's me signing off. See you in the next video.